Hello and welcome back. This is the one and only Jay, and as I promised, I will always be back on Food, English, and Life. As speakers of English as a second language, we do sometimes pronounce some words wrongly because it is hard for us. Or simply because that's what we learned from our teachers or in our neighborhoods while growing up. Now don't fret, because we'll be having a series of videos on the commonly mispronounced English words, and in today's one in particular, we'll be looking at 5 different CH words that we often do pronounce wrongly. Now let's look at some examples. Chauffeur, chauffeur, not chauffeur. No, chauffeur. He is a chauffeur. Chute, chute. Parachute, parachute. It's not parachute. No, parachute. Brochure, brochure. Not brochure. Brochure. Chef, chef. It's not chef. Chef. Chute, chute. Chauffeur, chauffeur. Parachute, parachute. Chef, chef. Brochure, brochure. Yep. Thanks so much for watching. It is always a pleasure. Hearts always.